Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted photos on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Recover photos from recently deleted. First, open the Photos app on your iPhone, then tap on Collections, then scroll down and tap on Recently Deleted. Here you will see photos and videos deleted in the last 30 days. Tap Select, choose the photo you want to recover, then tap Recover. Your photos will instantly return to your library. Step 2. Recover photos from iCloud backup. If the photos are no longer recently deleted, you may be able to restore them from iCloud. First, go to the settings, then tap on your name, then tap on iCloud and iCloud backup. If a backup was made before the photos were deleted, you can restore it. Go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on erase all contacts and settings. Then choose restore from iCloud backup and select the correct backup. This replaces current data with the backup. Step 3. Restore photos using a computer backup. If you backed up your iPhone to a Mac or PC, connect your iPhone to the computer, open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Select your iPhone and choose restore backup. Pick a backup made before the photos were deleted. And that's how you can recover deleted photos on an iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.